Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about Rasa theory, which is chapter number 6 in Natya Shastra written by sage Bharat Muni. So this is a kind of introductory video and yeah, let's see. So basically as the name suggests नाट्य शास्त्र so लोगों को लगता है कि इसमें मेनली नाटक के बारे में होगा ड्रामाज और थिएटर्स के बारे में but it is not so. It deals with music, dance, drama, stage formation, mudras, makeup, costumes, jaws of acting, body movement, musical scale, instruments, etc. So it deals with all these things. It is a Sanskrit text. It is a compilation of 36 chapters and 6,000 sutras, or we can say poetic verses. So basically, Natya Shastra में 36 chapters हैं, and right now we are studying chapter 6 and chapter 7. Chapter 7 is about bhava. So basically, ras and bhava are interlinked, and so why we'll see both these, side by side or together. Now, see, it is assumed to be compiled between 200 BCE and 200 CEE. So, basically, it's a kind of introduction. Now, let's see what are the myths or what are the historical backgrounds regarding Natya Shastra. Okay, so it is used to be said that Natya Veda is a fifth Veda and it is created by Lord Vishnu. I'm sorry, it's Lord Brahma, not Vishnu. Lord Brahma by extracting words and speech from Rig Veda, song and music from Shama Veda, art and expression from Yajur Veda, and elements of rasa from Atharva Veda. So, okay, let me repeat myself. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि जो नाट्य वेदा है वो फिफ्थ वेदा है. वी ऑल नो दैट वी हैव फोर वेदास, ऋग्वेदा, सामवेदा, यजुर्वेदा एंड अथर्व वेदा. एंड फिफ्थ वेदा नाट्य वेदा को माना जाता है. ये भी माना जाता है कि इन चारों वेदास जो हैं उनमें से कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को एक्सट्रैक्ट करके या कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को सेलेक्ट करके नाट्य वेदा में डाला गया है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ दिस फिफ्थ veda which is called natya veda is prepared, and it is created by Lord Brahma. Okay, so Lord Brahma was the one who wanted Bharat Muni to spread the knowledge of Natya Shastra to everybody. And so Bharat Muni, what Bharat Muni did is, इन्होंने 100 सन और मे बी 100 डिसाइपल्स, इट इज़ नॉट श्योर कि किसकी हेल्प ली इन्होंने. वो उनके बेटे थे या उनके चेले थे, डिसाइपल्स थे. एंड थ्रू दैम इन्होंने ये स्प्रेड करी नॉलेज नाट्य शास्त्र की टू एवरीवन. नाट्य शास्त्र इज़ इन डायलॉग फॉर्म. ये डायलॉग फॉर्म में है. भरत मुनि से हिज डिसाइपल्स और मे बी हिज सन्स आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस और आस्किंग अबाउट नाट्य शास्त्र एंड ही इज़ आंसरिंग. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ this compilation of 36 chapters and 6,000 poetic verses has been completed. Anyways, let's move on to the next part, which is okay. So, rasa and bhava are interrelated. As I said it before, rasa and bhava are interrelated. This is chapter number 6, and bhava is in chapter number 7. So, what bhava and rasa is? Basically, rasa is the imitation of emotions that the actor plays. So basically, अगर theaters आप देख रहे हैं and the actor is playing or doing acting or something, so the emotion that he is imitating is called bhava. you know in short, it is a performance of a performer. So basically, the emotions represented in performance, अगर कोई perform कर रहा है and he is showing a kind of emotion, any kind of emotions on the stage, so that will be called bhava. Now after watching that, उसको experience करने के बाद और उसको देखने के बाद, a kind of emotion or a kind of expressions or response जो audience देती है, that will be called rasa. Okay, so these are interrelated, or interlinked. Okay, so that will be more clear with the next point. Bhava and rasa establishes a relationship between a performer and a spectator, or you can call them audience too. So basically, bhava is something जो artist को feel होता है, and rasa is something which is felt by the audience. Okay. Anyways, so bhava or the emotion has three types. It is divided into three types. Three parts. Sthai bhava, which is 8 in numbers. Sanchari bhava or Vyabhachari bhava, which is 33 in numbers. And Sattvic bhava, which is 8 in numbers. It is an involuntary emotions. Involuntary emotion is something, that can be felt or that can be expressed by body movement, like sweating, like trembling, like shaking. So yes, this is what involuntary emotion is, and sattvic bhava is an involuntary emotions. So, yes, everybody, this is it about this video. As I have said, it will be an introductory video. So, yeah, thank you.